Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. This morning I had to take my car in for repairs, and when I checked the distance from the auto repair shop to the office, I saw that it was 32 minutes if I walked and 7 minutes if I managed to get a ride. I decided the time was better spent walking, and I'm really glad that I did. It took me through some streets that I normally would drive through, but walking and slowing down let me appreciate some things that I hadn't noticed before. On the side of one house, there was a set of stairs leading to their driveway that had these beautiful planters all the way up the stairs. Another house had some beautiful brickwork that I hadn't noticed before. And I've discovered a shortcut to get back to the office that actually saves some time. But one of the benefits that I had of walking that I never have when I'm driving is actually saying hello to people along the way. Almost everyone that I passed had a greeting this morning, and it really did improve the quality of the day. I think sometimes we prize efficiency over other experiences, and I highly recommend if there's some place that you drive that's nearby, try walking instead. You may discover a whole new world, and a friendlier one at that. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.